Have you ever stopped to appreciate the simple things, those moments that often go unnoticed in our busy lives? The way your dog greets you at the door, tail wagging with pure joy and excitement, or the smell of rain on a hot day, that fresh, earthy scent that brings a sense of renewal and calm. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, rushing from one task to the next, barely pausing to take a breath. But sometimes the most magical moments are hiding in plain sight, waiting for us to notice them. Our world is full of extraordinary things, from the vibrant colors of a sunset to the intricate patterns of a snowflake. We see it in acts of kindness, big and small, like a stranger holding the door open or a friend offering a listening ear. We feel it in the warmth of a hug, the comfort of being held by someone who cares. And we hear it in the laughter of loved ones, those moments of shared joy that echo in our hearts. These moments, however fleeting, have the power to lift our spirits and remind us of what truly matters. The key is to pay attention, to be present in the moment and open to the beauty around us. Open your eyes to the beauty around you, whether it's a breathtaking landscape or a simple flower blooming by the roadside. Savor the little things that make you smile, the small joys that add up to a life well lived. Because when you do, you'll find that magic exists in the most ordinary places, waiting to be discovered and cherished. We live in a time of constant news and information. Every day we are bombarded with headlines and updates from around the world, making it hard to keep up. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by global events. The sheer volume of information can be daunting, and the gravity of the news can weigh heavily on our minds. Sometimes the world feels heavy. The challenges we face seem insurmountable, and it can be difficult to find a moment of peace amidst the chaos. It's important to stay informed, but it's also important to protect our peace. Taking time for self-care, whether through meditation, reading, or yoga, can help us maintain our mental well-being. It's easy to feel helpless in the face of big challenges. The problems of the world can make us feel small and insignificant, as if our actions don't matter. But remember, even small acts of kindness can have a ripple effect. Simple gestures like helping a neighbor or volunteering can make a significant difference in someone's life. When we choose compassion, when we choose hope, we contribute to a better world. Our actions, no matter how small, can inspire others and create a chain reaction of positivity. Our daily routines might shift and change. The way we work, interact, and live our lives is constantly evolving, especially in times of uncertainty. We adapt and find new ways to connect. We support each other through technology, community efforts, and simple acts of kindness, ensuring that no one feels alone. And through it all, we discover our resilience and strength. Each challenge we overcome makes us stronger, and every victory, no matter how small, is a testament to our enduring spirit. Even in difficult times, there are always silver linings. Look for them. Sometimes it's a phone call with a friend. Other times it's a moment of shared laughter with loved ones. There's a sense of unity that comes from shared experiences. We've all learned to adapt and find new ways to connect. We've slowed down and learned to appreciate the simple things. These moments remind us that we're not alone. We're all in this together. And that's a beautiful thing. Section 4, the power of connection in a disconnected world. In a world that often feels divided, connection is more important than ever. We live in an age where technology has made it easier to communicate, yet many of us feel more isolated than ever before. The sense of community and belonging is something we all yearn for, and it's crucial to nurture these connections. Reach out to someone you care about. A simple phone call or a text message can brighten someone's day and remind them that they are not alone. It's these small acts of kindness that build stronger bonds. Listen with an open heart. Offer a helping hand. When we take the time to truly listen to others, we show that we value and respect them. Volunteering and helping those in need can also create a sense of purpose and connection. Technology allows us to stay connected even when we're physically apart. Video calls, social media, and messaging apps have made it possible to maintain relationships across distances. However, it's important to balance virtual interactions with real-life connections. But sometimes the most meaningful connections happen face-to-face. Sharing a laugh, a meal, or simply spending time together can create lasting memories and deepen our relationships. A smile, a hug, these simple gestures can convey so much more than words. They can provide comfort, joy, and a sense of belonging. A listening ear. These simple gestures can make all the difference. Being present and attentive shows that we care and are willing to support each other through thick and thin. Remember, we all crave connection. It's a fundamental part of being human. Social interactions and relationships are essential for our mental and emotional well-being. It's a basic human need. Without connection, we can feel lonely and disconnected. Building and maintaining relationships takes effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. So be kind. Be present. Show empathy and understanding. These qualities can strengthen our bonds and create a more connected and compassionate world. And make time for the people who matter most. Prioritize your relationships and cherish the moments you share with loved ones. In the end, it's these connections that enrich our lives and give them meaning. Section 5. Finding joy in simple pleasures. Joy can be found in the simplest of things: a warm cup of coffee on a chilly morning, the sound of your favorite song on the radio, the feeling of sunshine on your skin. Sometimes we just need to pause and notice. Appreciate the little things that make life beautiful. These moments, however fleeting, can bring us immense joy. Remember, happiness isn't a destination. It's a way of traveling. It's about finding joy in the journey, every step of the way. Section 6. Embracing the everyday magic. Life is full of magic. It's in the air we breathe, the sun that warms our skin, and the love that surrounds us. We just need to open our hearts and minds to see it. So let's choose to see the good. Let's celebrate the everyday miracles. And let's never stop believing in the power of hope, love, and laughter. The world is full of possibilities. Embrace them and never forget the magic that resides within you.